Hello guys, we are back with another video. In this video, I will tell you about the stories behind the successful stores and we will also discuss how did they get on top. And we will also discuss that how did they market the value of their stores on the thousands of stores on Shopify. Anyways, let's start the video. Here you can see the store which name is Nickmere. Basically, Nickmere art has one of the most interesting Shopify art stores out there. It reflects patience. A former marine biologist, Nickmere now pursues his true calling as an artist, and what better way to showcase his beautiful work than with an eye catching Shopify website? Nick Meyer is an award winning nature illustrator whose style embraces the nature beauty of fish and other marine life with a unique scientific perspective. He is a former marine biologist and adventurer and a lifelong fly fishing addict. Skin of his teeth survival failing overboard of a commercial fishing vessel into the Bering Sea followed by a near float plane crash in northern Labrador. Inspired Nick to pursue his true calling as an artist, painting his passion and has developed a celebrated touch. As you can see, the designs and fabulous art of Nick Mayer. Of Phil, one of physicist Mayer's work as follows with undergraduate and graduate degrees in biology from Brown University and experience working for fish and game departments in Alaska and Oregon. Mayer brings passion from which he sees as an aid to studying and helping in the conservation of fish. Mayer has illustrated two books on fish, Catalina Island Dive Buddies, written by International Game Fish Association (IGFA) historian Mike Revikin, and Fish ABC's children's book featuring one fish for each letter for the alphabet. His work and licensed products can be seen in galleries and stores in over 30 countries around the globe. Fred Polham's sport quantities with a firm grasp and foundation of anatomic accuracy and knowledge, and had some covers for iPhone users and smartphone users, Samsung and multiple phone users of their fish designs. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and innovative videos. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and don't forget to hit the bell icon button.